Hello, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be looking at another one of these small art boxes from our Wave 2 delivery of Nova Aetas. This video is quite a good one because we have the Pope versus the Doge. Let's have a look at what's inside. Okay, so let's open up the box and we can see together what we have in the contents. Can have a proper look at the box without, as I've said before, the reflection from the light. And there we are. That's the box cover. We have the Pope, we have Doge, and this is the art box designed by Alberto Bessi. And what do we have inside? Well, we have one Pope miniature, one Doge miniature, 4 enemy cards, 2 missions and various tokens. Hope they tell you what the tokens are in this one, because in the last one they didn't tell us. So let's open up and see what we have. Put the box to one side, put that to one side. Here we are. Here's the tokens. Pope, the Doge, and the various tokens. I'm assuming these are health tokens. I don't know, but we'll find out. Now we have these cards. We'll look at the big cards first, and then we'll look at the smaller ones afterwards. So we have the Doge. And we have, once we finish with the Doge, we have the Pope, Pope Julio II. There we are. So that's the Pope and the Doge cards. We have the introduction to it, how to use the expansion, some optional rules. This is just nothing really, that's for this part. And on this side we have the contents of the box, and it again doesn't tell you what the tokens are for. Oh well, not to worry. Put that to one side, and here we must have the missions or the scenarios for the mini campaign for this, assuming of course there's a campaign. It's just a mission. Hopefully there's going to be rules. There's 2 missions here, but hopefully there's going to be more being made available. So that's the mission, and this is the other mission. We have United Against the Lion and Never Slaves of Rome. And that is, there's 2 sheets that are in here. There's no more cards in here, as you can see, so it's time to look at the mini. First off, let's have a look at the Doge. There he is. Got all the detail in his cloak. It's going to be interesting to paint. Again, some nice detailing in the base, a little bit of flashing to take care of, nothing that a good sharp knife won't cure. Here's the Doge, and now His Holiness the Pope. There we are. That is one serious looking Pope. I know there was a Pope Julius II. I don't know much about him though. In fact, I don't know anything about him. So I don't know whether this is actually based on the real Pope or not, but who knows, I'll find out. Anyway, that's it for this video. That's all you get, not much in this one. I'm going to toddle off now and get in contact with Ludus Magnus Studios to let them know that the Diletto and Renzo box was short of stuffing, as it were. So hope you've enjoyed the video. Until next time when we start on the bigger boxes, take care, God bless, and bye for now.